Darshan, Ravel, and we are so excited here on Like a Breakfast. Now, there is something that I know. You hail from Gujarat, and we're actually both Gujarati. This is half the issue we have with our show, is because we're Gujarati, and people start talking to us in Hindi, and we're like, I somewhat understand it, and then there's killing you.
I'm like, Sukito?
You obviously hail from Gujarat as well, and you've sung tracks in films like Love Yatri.
Yeah.
So how did that feel to be able to sing sort of in Gujarati? Not in Gujarati, but do you know what I mean? Like that sort of vibe.
Yeah. It's really a proud feeling for me as a Gujarati. So I was not singing for the Gujarati people, because Gujarati people already had this song with them from so many years, like Chogada.
Yeah.
And Kammarya, which is Pethalpur. So they had this song from so many years, and I have been listening to these songs in Navratri, in Garba. So I was presenting Gujarati music to on national level. So it's a great feeling where you're presenting your roots and people, and then the song really becomes huge hit. And it is not played in Gujarat. Of course it is played, but it is played more in Delhi and Northeast, and you go to South India, it's playing there, and people who are not Gujarati are dancing to that song. It's a great feeling where you see people connecting to music more than language. So yeah, I really had fun doing Chogada and Kammarya both.
We've actually spoken about that, because music is sort of a universal language. Even if you don't understand what is actually being said in the words, you can just play on the melody, and that's it.
Yeah.
So this year alone, you've released like 4 independent tracks already. You had Bileti Sharab with Niti Mohan, Iskadar with Tulsi Kumar, Dil Hai Divana with Zara Khan. So you're doing so much. Were these songs already worked on before, or was it something that you worked on during the pandemic?
Everything that you're listing in 2021 is during pandemic only.
Oh, wow.
It is all Dil Hai Divana is the song that I've recorded on the first day of when I got COVID.
Oh, wow.
So 14th I was not feeling well, 15th I recorded the song, and 16th I was positive. I came to know that I'm positive. So
wow.
Everything is during this pandemic.
Well, we're glad to know that you're feeling better now anyway.
Yeah, I'm very fine now.
And the fact that so many great songs came from that anyway, from being in a lockdown and not being able to travel so much.
Yeah. We tried to do Rabba Mehak Kari and Iskadar. And it was very difficult, and shooting with
Iskadar's video is amazing. We absolutely love it.
Do you know the Iskadar video, right? Honestly, Darshan, it looks like you're an actor in the video, yeah? So it goes on to nicely. Are we going to see Darshan Ravel in Bollywood maybe one day?
See, I don't feel that confident yet. I feel confident in music videos because I've done so many. So I've not done acting in a movie or anything like that. So I don't feel confident yet. Let's see. Like a lot of people are asking me these days that you want to act and you want to do something, and I just say this: I'm not confident yet. I don't know if I can do it, and it's too much of time. As I said, I'm already doing music, and music only takes away a lot of time and effort and a part of myself whenever I do music. So
that's all right, because you're quite young to this industry, right? You've only been in the industry for about 6 years, so you never know. We might be talking to you in a few years' time, and you'll be like, yeah, exclusive. I'm going to be acting in a Bollywood film. We'll be like, yes.
Of course. Let's see what's there next.
So here's a question for you now, right? What else are you working on at the moment? Like, are you going to give us a little sneak peek? Are you going to give us an exclusive right now of anything that's coming out that no one else knows about?
I'm working on the monsoon song right now. So every year there's a monsoon song, and I'm working on the song this year as well. And let's hope I get the right words and right melody. So we will do the monsoon song this year.
Amazing. Now, I was actually watching some of your videos, right? I was watching like Asal Mein, Hawa Banke, Tera Zikr, and Iskadar as well. And I personally think your acting in them was quite good. I'm just putting it out there. I just want to say.
I agree.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
I
Thank you.
just wanted to put it out there because that was on my list of stuff, and then Gilly sort of jumped the gun and talked about the acting, and then I just looked down and I was like, hold on a minute, I did watch all those videos and I just have to list them right now. So that everyone listening can go and check out those videos and understand what we're talking about.
So you saying you're not confident? Trust me, in your videos you look overconfident. I'm telling you, Yad.
Let's see. Let's see what's there. Also confidence and time as well, because most of the time when things will get better, I'm mostly performing because I really love doing concert and performing for people and then making music. So that's the 90% of the time where it goes.
And now we do this thing, it's called a rapid fire round, right? So I'm going to pass you over to Gilly because he's got the questions.
Okay.
So go for it, Gilly.
So as I've just now established that, you apne Gujarati bhai che, right?
By ekdam, bilkul, Gujarati bhai che.
So your first question, Darshan, is, do you prefer gaddi or dal?
Mane dal bhave che, so dal.
Nice. Okay, now growing up, were you the person that did your homework or spent loads of time outside flying kites?
No, I told my friends to do my homework, so I had few. They used to do my homework.
Nice one. Now you mentioned that you like Navratri Garba, right?
Yeah.
Which of these would get you up straight away? Trantali or Dandiya?
Turantali. 110%.
Nice.
Turantali. Yeah.
And then if we came to your house,
Yeah.
how round would your rotlis be?
My rootlies would be
Yes.
square or triangle round. I'm not sure if they're going to be round.
And that's the final rapid fire question, right? Who was the last celebrity slash artist that you messaged or spoke to?
I spoke to Hadi Sandhu.
Oh, nice.
Maybe there's something.
I don't know. No, he's one of my very close friends, and I keep taking tab on him. Is fine, and what's he doing, and he does the same as well. So yeah.
Nice.
Now, something that we do every time we've got an interview, right? We do this thing where we dance to the songs. Now, we're going to admit, we know we're not very good dancers, okay? But
Let me tell you one thing. I am even worse is dancing. So I am very bad.
That's why you act in your music videos, isn't it?
If I come to Gilly's wedding and if I don't sing and if I dance, people are going to leave. I don't know what's going to happen.
Darshan, you must have seen, right? Because of the video which we're going to put out obviously today, right? But you've seen the video, right?
Yeah, but it's very nice. You don't know how I dance.
Oh, we're going to have to see this now because look, when we had an interview with Justy Sidhu and we danced to Jatvarga, and he literally said to us, I don't think you should ever put that video up again. Then we had Guru Randhava and we danced to Nach Meri Rani, and you know what he said to us? It's very good, but don't ever dance to one of my songs like that again. And we're like, oh my God, everyone's just shutting us down one after the other.
Literally everyone's just like, no, don't do that ever again. And we're like, oh.
I am okay with you dancing because I know how bad I am. So whatever you guys do on my song, I know I'm going to do it worse. So it's better you guys do it.
So now we're going to agree with you, right? So the next time you need some dancers in one of your music videos, you can call on us and we'll definitely help you out.
Of course.
You're the only singer that just said, of course. To
And
that.
do you know the funny thing is, Darshan, if you look at the video, you can see that I'm obviously Melissa's the flamboyant dancer and I'm behind.
Yeah, and you're in the mood. You're grooving and you're just getting the energy from
I'm just getting
I
into
saw
the
the
mood,
video.
but now with your words of wisdom, I think you've given us hope that we can carry on with this now.
And actually, talking about that, Rabba Meher Kare is actually trending, which is absolutely awesome. We love trends. That's why we decided to dance to that one. And it's got this whole hashtag Blue Army thing. Tell us a little bit about that.
So I love the color blue. And the people who love me, they love me and the color blue as well. So it's the blue family and all the Darshnas. So these are the people who are there with me every morning, every night. So even if I'm feeling low and 3 o'clock in the night, I go to Twitter and just say hi or say nothing or just put a full stop there. They're going to be there for me always. So as I said when we were in the start of the interview, I don't have fans anymore. I have a family who's there all the time for me. So that's the Blue family and all the Darshnas.
It's a nice feeling to have, isn't it? Because you must be your family must be still back in Ahmedabad, and then you're in Mumbai and Delhi and traveling all over the place. So it must be nice to feel that you've got some sort of family there with you all the time.
All the time. Like if I don't post anything on social media a day or two, they start getting worried, and I see a lot of messages on Twitter that if I'm fine, I'm doing well, and I should come to Twitter. So that's the kind of love I've been getting, and let me tell you, I feel blessed every day to have such amazing people.
That is amazing.
So Darshan, we got to say, Melissa and Gilly are definitely part of your Blue family now.
Yeah, that's it. We're going to hashtag Blue Army.
So it's Blue family and Darshnas, of course, you guys are. And lots of love to you both. It was such an amazing interview talking to you guys.
Thank you so much. Now, we can't let you go until you do one thing for us.
Of course.
We absolutely love your voice. We're not going to pick a song. We're going to let you pick a song. But can you sing a few lines from a song for us?
Okay, I'm going to do that. Just got my guitar.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
इस कदर तुमसे हमें प्यार हो गया हद से ज़्यादा हद से पार हो गया दिन तेरी चाहतों में गुजरने लगे दिल कहे हर घड़ी तुमसे मिलने चले
Oh my God, absolutely amazing.
I've got goosebumps right now.
Also, I would like to sing a song for Gilly. So what you can do is you can keep this recording.
Yeah.
And then just play it whenever you want to. Anybody you want to play it for. Yeah?
When you're composing.
Wow, go for it.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा कि गिली बिला सोनिया जिन्हें सारी गलियां नाल तेरे तुर चलिया ले चल मुझको दुनिया से तू दूर चोरी चोरी जब तन तकिया खुद को संभाल न सकिया चढ़ गया सजना तेरा ये फितूर लंघ जानी वे मर जानी रात कहनी जो थी कह दे वो बात
Oh my God. Darshan, yaar, man, you made my day, my year, my life.
Thank you, buddy.
He's finally going to find that bride, I think.
I think so. She's out there now.
Thank you so much for joining us on Like a Breakfast. It's been an absolute pleasure. And we can't wait for the next time that you are in London so we can bring you into the studio.
Of course, I'm going to be there and see you guys. And we'll have some good time. And you guys take care. Be safe.
Thank you.
Okay.
You too. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.